GoPro just fired the biggest shot of the year in the 360 camera wars, calling out DJI and Insta360 with one bold claim. We're the only true 8K 360 camera. No AI upscaling, no fake pixels, no gimmicks, just raw optical power. This is the GoPro Max 2. After months of rumors, leaks, and silence, GoPro is finally back with the long-awaited successor to its 360 lineup. The Max 2 lands 7 months after the Max 2025 and over a year after its first leaked photo, a camera that looked so real it turns out it was. But this time, GoPro's message isn't just about specs. It's a statement, a challenge to the competition. Compact, rugged, unmistakably GoPro, measuring just 69.7 by 64 by 48.7 millimeters, the Max 2 keeps that pocket-sized adventure form factor, but adds serious muscle. Inside, there's a 1960 milliamp hour battery, 23% bigger than before, designed to keep rolling longer even in tough conditions. Whether it's freezing at -10 degrees Celsius or burning at +35 degrees Celsius, this camera keeps shooting. And yes, it's waterproof down to 5 meters, no case required. Connectivity takes a big leap too, now with Bluetooth Low Energy 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6 support, making file transfers and live previews smoother than ever. And at just 205 grams, the Max 2 balances strength and portability perfectly, ready for mountain trails, deep dives, or your next FPV flight. At its heart lies a 2.3-inch sensor with an f1.8 aperture, capable of capturing stunning 29-megapixel photos and true 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second. Prefer smooth motion? Drop to 5.6K for 60 FPS or 4K for epic 100 FPS slow motion. No AI upscaling, no black pixels to fill gaps, just genuine optical resolution, pixel for pixel. That's GoPro's subtle way of saying, nice try, Insta360. The Max 2 doesn't just see better, it hears better too. 6 built-in microphones capture immersive spatial audio, while 10-bit color support brings every frame to life with cinematic depth and realism. And for the first time, replaceable lenses mean creators can swap glass instead of retiring the whole camera after a rough adventure. All this at $499.99, undercutting DJI's Osmo 360 and Insta360's X5 by $50. It's a bold move, and GoPro's betting big that pure optical power still matters more than software tricks. Pre-orders are live now, with shipping starting September 30th. So, has GoPro reclaimed the 360 crown? Or is this just the calm before the next shot is fired? Drop your thoughts below, hit subscribe, and let's see who wins the 8K war.